Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'll walk you through using the Attack Shark X11 Mouse software. Let's get started. First, open your browser and visit the official Attack Shark website. Find and download the software for your specific mouse model. Once it's downloaded, run the installer and follow the simple on-screen instructions to complete the setup. Once it's installed, open the software from your desktop or start menu. You'll be greeted with a user-friendly interface showing an image of your mouse and its clickable buttons. On the left, you can customize each button. For example, you can assign left click, right click, or even forward and backward actions to the side buttons. This is where you can personalize your setup for gaming or work. Next, let's talk about profiles. You can create different profiles for various tasks or games. Plus, the macro manager lets you set up advanced actions for those who need extra precision. On the right side, you'll find DPI settings where you can adjust your mouse sensitivity for each stage. Play around with the sliders to match your style, then hit apply to save your settings. Don't forget to add additional settings like polling rate, mouse behavior, and power management. These allow you to fine-tune your experience even further. And that's it. Once you're just happy with your settings, just save them and enjoy your customized Attack Shark mouse. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.